everyone. I thought I'd talk to you today about ruched fringe, which ruche fringe is something that has become very fashionable. It was around years ago. It was around for lots and lots of years. It was used as a trim for cushions and upholstery, and then it sort of died out of favor, and it's just been reborn again. And so I want to talk to you about it because there are two ways on a cushion. We're just talking cushions today. How to use ruche fringe on a cushion. So if you've got a square cushion, you would go round the four sides. So here we are. This is a ruched insert into a cushion, and then here we have a little rectangle cushion, and we have the ruched just at the edges. Now, ruching is usually picked up as a color that you would find in the fabric. So in both of these cushions, you can see how the colors in the fabric have been highlighted by the ruche color choice. Okay, now our ruches come like this. So when you see your ruche, you go, oh my God, is that, you buy it, it looks like that, and it ends up like this. And the reason is for that is that you pull the threads off the edges, and that keeps it from becoming this mess. So that keeps it all neat and tidy until you've stitched it in, and then you pull it off, and voila, this lovely little edge. Now, here we've got a two ruche. That means we've got this thicker ruche stitched in, and then over the top, we've put our carnival braid, which is a really clever flat braid, which you can use as a flat braid, or you can actually pull out and sew it together, and then that gives you a two-tone effect. So when you stitch that in, you get this effect here that we've got. So there's the two braids, they've been stitched into the seam, and you get this lovely two-tone effect of the linen color on top, and then the soft sea greeny blue coming behind. So and there's another one, that's our white ruched, and you can see how it's been stitched, but you just pull it off and it unravels, and then it's easier to sew in like this as well. That's why we do it. It's so much easier to handle. It doesn't become a mess, because if it is pulled out like this one is, it becomes quite messy, and sewing it in is more awkward and difficult. So for handling, it's best to buy it and keep it unfreed. It's stitched in, and then you free it up after you've sewn it. Okay, so there you are, ruche fringes.